Hi there, welcome to Get Data Solution. My name is Sophie. The purpose of this channel is to modernize data system, to save time, to generate automatic report, to reduce cost, to increase productivity, to manage project, to manage business, as well as to learn new skills. And Get Data Solution provide different tools such as dashboard and other data management tools. Here is our area of expertise. Uh, the first one is dashboard creation. This could be project dashboard or business dashboard. It could be, for example, budget utilization dashboard or project progress dashboard and the like. The second is data management and analysis. This include like Gantt chart, project planner, burn up chart, burn down chart, and many other related charts. The third area of expertise is data quality improvement. This includes system development for data quality and developing tracking tools. The fourth area of expertise is HR data management. This includes creating dashboard for HR related data and other related to HR, such as, for example, employee leave, employee retirement, and attrition rate and retention rates. The fifth area of expertise is training package, developing training package. We do have already ready-made training package on specific computer utility packages. The sixth one is training and consulting services. So you will get all this from Get Data Solution. Our products solve a real problem, be it in a project management or in business condition. What we advise is use our existing product if it fits your need from our pool of data set, and then if otherwise you can order based on your specific needs. So that is about Get Data Solution. Today we'll see project progress data using different coloring system. Here is our data, which shows the activity, the plan, and the achievement and percentage. We'll just make this data more attractive and ready for decision making purpose. So in that we'll use conditional formatting, and we'll use these steps, and our final output should look like this one, where we have different colors based on our performance, like for example this is a deep green with high performance achievement, and light green, then blue, then orange, then red color. And this is based on the rating is based on if it is greater than 81 to 100%, it will automatically turn out to be green, deep green. If it is greater than 61 to 80%, light green. If it is greater than 41, if it is within the range of 41 to 60%, this blue. If it is within the range of 10 to 40%, this orange, and then if it is less than 20%, red color. So we'll try to construct this system using conditional formatting, and we'll use these 8 steps on this data, and finally we'll get similar to this one, somewhat similar to this one. So for that, as I've said, we'll use this 8 steps. The first one is selecting data range, then conditional formatting with new rules. The third step is format only cell that contains X% to Y%, and format, choose our color, then choose 2 color options, then shading style from center, and then we apply it. So we'll use this 8 step in this data, and here is the instruction to input the data, and here is also the benefits that we'll just gain from it. Let's construct first and come back to this page. Then we'll select and our data range here from, for example, the first activity is 120 is a plan, and achievement is here. Just before that, we have to fill our organization here, ABC for this case, for example, and then project name and year of implementation will be selected from drop down here. So let's start constructing for based on this data, which contains 20 activities. We'll select conditional formatting, then manage new rules, format only cell that contains between 0% to 20%. I select that. Then into the formatting, I can select here different colors, but for this particular case, let me select the one with fill effects, and here is, let me, 2 colors, 2 red colors, then from center, then I'll say okay, and okay. Again, I'll make new rule for the other options, which is 21% to 40%. This formatting, then again I will adjust the color, this time somewhat orange color. Fill effect, the first color orange, again somewhat orange, then from center, then I select that and say okay. So we have 2 colors so far. Again, I will create a new rule for the third one, which is 41% to 60%. Then I'll choose blue color this time. Then I'll say okay, okay, Again, new rule, this time from 61% to 80%. Then the formatting will select light green. Then I will say OK. OK. So far we have created 4. And the final one for from 81% to 100%. Then formatting with fill effect. This time with deep green. We'll select 2 colors with deep green. From shading style from center. Then apply. Then apply. Then OK. So then we'll apply for all this coloring. Then we'll say OK. Then here is our final product. We have finished it. If you see this, the top, these 5 are actually deep green. The next one is light green. The next 4 is blue color, then orange color, then red color. So this will actually guide us during our monitoring so that we can actually focus on the activities that are actually not performing well. And in this particular case, project managers and the project team can actually focus mainly on the last activities with orange and red color for their follow-up. So that's how it is actually helpful. If you come to the instruction page here, it's actually indicates that how we should input our data. It says insert activity, insert plan, insert achievement. The percentage is automatic. Then we'll save. Then we'll construct this using conditional formatting. And in terms of benefit, also here it is indicated that this is easy and convenient to enter data, automatically generate progress and completion percent, then automatically generate percent with different colors, easy to identify on which activity support is needed from the project managers and top leaders. For example, it is quick to update by quarter as well. We'll see that one again. Save time and simple to update by month or quarter. Then we can share to our team so that they can actually follow the progress. It's also helpful to support follow-up of project and programs, and let the manager's team where to focus to next month or quarter. And it also alert managers on which activity to support his or her team, and also to keep data quality. And this is recommended for project and program managers, project or program team, M&D coordinators and M&D lead, mill staff and M&D staff, team coordinators, project partners, donors, and NGOs and government office can use this system so that will actually guide their decision in project management. So let's see for quarter 2 again. To create for quarter 2, we'll just right click and create a copy at the end, and then let's rename it. Instead of quarter 1, let's say is quarter 2, and let's check if you increase the achievement whether this coloring is actually changed. Let's say this is for activity 6. Now it is the plan is under 50, and up to quarter 1 the implementation is 120. If we make 130, for example, yeah, the color changes from light green to deep green. For example, for activity 11, the current implementation status is 50. If I make, for example, 80, yeah, it changes this implementation percentage from the previous for 2% to 6-7%. So this is dynamically changing. Let's again see for this one, activity 50, which is the plan is 240 and the implementation is up to quarter 1 90. If we make is for example 150, yeah, it will actually change the color and the implementation status. If, for example, the last activity, which is currently at 400 plan and 30 implementation up to quarter 1, if I make it, for example, 200 in quarter 2, it will actually change to somewhat blue color, so that we can continue and this up to quarter 4 in the similar fashion. The only thing we have to do is just we have to right click, move a copy, then create and save it. So that is it. And thank you very much for coming to our channel, and please consider subscribing to our channel, and bye bye.